In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage sections and page numbering in Google Docs with ease. Whether you're preparing a document for a professional presentation or just sorting your notes, managing sections and pages is crucial for a clean and organized look. Let's delve right into it. Firstly, to set the stage for our editing, we'll want to make it easier to see where our section divisions are. For this, head over to the View option in the top menu bar. From there, select Show Section Breaks. This handy feature will display faint lines that clearly mark where each of your document sections begins and ends. It might seem like a small detail, but these lines can significantly improve your ability to navigate and organize your text efficiently. Now, let's insert a new section break before page 3. Navigate to the end of page 2 in your document. You'll want to put your cursor right at the very end of that page's text. Once you're there, click on Insert from the top menu. Hover over the Break option that appears, and from the drop-down menu, select Section Break, Next Page. This action will split your document, starting a new section on page 3. However, if this process results in a large gap at the beginning of page 3, don't worry. A simple backspace or a delete will pull the text back up, neatly closing that awkward gap. With the new section in place, it's time to edit the header on page 3 to suit our needs. Move to page 3 and double-click in the very top margin. This action opens the header for editing. Here comes a critical step. In the header options that appear, find the checkbox labeled Link to Previous and uncheck it. By doing this, you ensure that the section's header operates independently from pages 1 and 2. This is crucial for setting distinct page numbers or other unique header content for this section. Speaking of page numbers, let's add them. While you're still in the header, locate Options. This might appear next to Link to Previous, or you might see it when you click the area where the page number would go. Select Page Numbers and a window will open up. In this window, pay attention to the Apply To option. Make sure it states this section. Next, check the Start At field and change the number to 1. This resets the page numbering of your new section to begin at 1. Once you've made these selections, click Apply. And voila! Your document's sections and page numbering are now set up according to your needs. With these steps, you've organized your document into clear sections with independent page numbering, offering a professional and organized presentation. Keep practicing, and soon managing documents will be second nature.